Hey, Absurd Pictures, your host here. Did you know that you could make your shot look actually good? Many people may not even know what the rule of thirds is, how to apply it, and why. They will be answering these questions with examples. Let's imagine that the shot is broken into thirds both horizontally and vertically. As a result, we get two vertical lines and horizontal lines. We can use them to make a harmonious composition that both adds context to your shot and also makes it more pleasing for the eye. The main function of rule of thirds is to help create asymmetric compositions. Because if the elements in the image are too centered and balanced, it becomes boring. If the images are offset though, by using the rule of thirds, the asymmetry and counterbalance help create a much more dynamic picture.
Let's take a look at a classic conversation between two characters. This is known as a two-shot. It contains no more and no less than two people, which can be placed anywhere on the grid. In this case, they are placed on the two vertical lines that run through it. But not all conversations should be filmed as two shots. In this case, each shot contains one character. But look closer, they are standing on the vertical lines with their backs facing the end of the shot. That leaves a lot of empty space in front of them, which makes it easier to tell where they're looking.
There are of course examples when the rule is deliberately broken and it all makes sense. As in this case, where the empty space behind the character is used to either give context to where he is or to show an approaching danger. Or whatever fits the narrative at hand. There are numerous ways to use the rule of thirds, but I'll run through the most basic ones. By applying the grid, you can use the 4 focal points to set the main point of interest for your viewers. Applying it is very easy. It's usually a person, an object, a head, tiny details in the object, an eye, By using the rule of thirds, you're changing the composition of objects and subjects in the frame, making it more harmonious and in the end result more appealing to the human eye. Now the time has come to test what you've learned.
We selected 3 of our employees to participate in this experiment. 1 scriptwriter, 1 editor, and 1 video operator. Only the last one knows how to use the rule of thirds.
We'll show you a series of pictures and you must guess which ones use the rules of thirds. Grab your friends and your family and start counting points. Alright, and now the results. Comment down below how many points you have gotten. Alright, and now we've reached the end of the video. I hope that you've at least grasped the concept of this very important rule. This has been your host, good luck in filming, and as always, stay fresh.
Thank you.